Hello, Vettsy babes! Ready for a tropical escape? Our highly anticipated summer box is finally here! Packed with vibrant gels, dazzling chrome, and exclusive beachy charms, it has everything you need to create the ultimate vacation manicure. Now, unboxing time! Let's see what's inside the summer box. A color gel and an isolated chrome matte top. Watch these two cat-eye gels turn into ocean waves. Encapsulate the magic with these mesmerizing Aurora glass foils. A holographic chrome glow under the sun. A versatile hollow mix that dances in the summer. Melt hearts with our sweetest charms. Cool down your look using these crystals. Starfish and shells that scream tropical vacation. Abalone slices for authentic beachy texture. Bring a garden to your nails using these charms. Playful summer starts with these dreamy glitters. Channel your inner mermaid with this kit. Precise line work is a breeze with this pearlescent beauty. Display your summer designs on this stand. Mix your colors in style with a mermaid shell palette. Deep ocean blue rhinestones for that majestic vibe. Pro pinching tool for slim, sturdy structures. Hard builder gel to strengthen your summer nails. These nail stickers are your best friend. Surprise bonus! Coconut fridge magnet. Beach ready. A foldable sun visor for your next getaway. Okay, we've unpacked the ultimate tropical stash, but we can't just leave them sitting there. It's time to bring these summer vibes to life. Here are 4 designs we created using everything you just saw. Set 1. Sunrise palms. Apply an even layer of the pink cat-eye gel. Hold a magnetic stick close to the nail to pull the shimmer into a bright halo, then cure. Place the summer palm tree stickers onto the nail surface. Finish with a no-wipe top coat and cure. Set 2. Lime sparkle. Start with a shimmering silver cat-eye gel. Maneuver your magnet to push and pull the silver shimmer into a mesmerizing fluid water ripple effect. Brush the jelly green gel onto the tip, blending seamlessly upward for an ombre effect. Nestle a starfish charm into place and sculpt refreshing 3D water drops using clear gel. Seal the design with a top coat and cure. Set 3. Pearl shimmer. Paint the nail with our pink cat-eye gel. Draw out a sweeping, velvety flash using your magnet and cure. Swipe on a little sticky gel to thoughtfully embed natural crushed shell flakes, scattering a few elegant pearls around them. Finish off with a top coat to maximize the shine. Set 4. Summer fruit party. Mix the glitter with clear gel, then blend it onto the nail. Bring the fun by arranging 3D watermelon and ice cream charms. Seal the design carefully around the 3D charms with a no-wipe top coat, then cure. And that's a wrap on our summer nail inspiration. Ready to recreate these salon-worthy looks at home? Grab your box before it sells out. Stay glowing!